Hi, let's make a video here of how this thing works, and we'll just log in here, and when we've logged in let's go and have a look at the online procedures manual. So this takes us to a login system, and we can open a procedures manual here, which then says this is for a sample company. So we can set up a manual by just going through a few steps, a couple of instructions there. We can choose the name of our organization and the color we want as the background and update an image, and then just continue. And now it asks us the business components, which is financial management. These are all pretty standard in most businesses, and you can add some custom ones down the bottom here. So if we've got a one called operations, we can type that in there and insert that. So now operations becomes one of our business components. So when we finish that list, we then put in the sub details. So we've got all of the things that happen under finance, all of the things under general management, and down here we'll have our operations section, which we've just added, and we might have check the stock levels as a insert one there, and you'll see that that comes in as one of our operations now, and we can return now to our index. So under here all of our levels come up. So this is what you see when you log into a procedures manual, and for example we might want to know how to do the banking. So we'll go to the banking one under financial management, and over here it tells us that it's under financial management. The operation is banking, who does it and how often, and these are all preloaded, or a lot of them are preloaded with example ones, and this is the way most businesses do this. You'll note down here that attachments can be put in these procedures as well. Editing them is quite easy, simply by editing here brings up a familiar word type processor here, and you can just change when the mail, we'll take the capital out of there. If we want to add an attachment, we can add a PDF or an Excel document or something on here just by browsing our computer. But we won't do that now. We'll cancel that, and we'll just update the procedure. You'll see now that when the mail is now small t there. And down here in our operations section, check the stock levels will come up as a blank one. Here it is, operations, check the stock levels, edit the procedure, and we can just edit this and say the storeman checks levels on Fridays. That could be the first step. We want to make this a set of steps, so we can just make that step number one. Step number two might be he uses the stock level form, and then we update this procedure. Now normally what you do is you'd put the stock level form on there as an attachment, so that when you read the procedure you can get that stock level form from here, and also you would probably take a video of doing some of these procedures and put the URL of the YouTube video in there so that he can watch a video on it as well. So that's procedures manuals. You can see how simple and easy they are to set up. There's about 60 pre-written procedures in there, and it's just that simple to have your very own customized procedures manual with your own logo up here, so that you can use that in your business.